We live in a world where our differences often overshadow our similarities. But deep down, كلنا مرضي, we are all human. Regardless of where we come from or the language we speak, our fundamental desires and emotions connect us all. We all strive for love, happiness, and fulfillment. Despite the barriers that society builds, our stories are intertwined. We all face challenges, heartbreaks, and triumphs. We all experience joy, sadness, and everything in between. Just as we share in moments of celebration, we also share in moments of grief and loss. We seek solace in knowing that others have endured similar hardships, that we are not alone. In embracing our common humanity, we reject prejudice and stereotypes. We break down walls and build bridges of understanding. We celebrate our differences, knowing that they enrich our world. كلنا مرضي, our shared humanity binds us together. It reminds us that, no matter our background or beliefs, we all deserve respect, compassion, and equal opportunities. So let us stand united, appreciating the beauty of our diversity. Let us see beyond the surface and look into each other's hearts. Let us strive for a world where كلنا مرضي, we are all celebrated for who we are. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel for more content that promotes understanding and unity. Together, we can make a difference. كلنا مرضي, we are all one.